LemurLounge is a device that plays audio when a lemur enters inside of it. It can recognize anything in a lemur from a tail to its body, for instance. It detects when a lemur is inside of it using infrared sensors, and then when detected, it will play audio.
We had rain sounds, we had traffic noises, we had calm and upbeat music, and then we also added a white noise.
Historically, a lot of work has been done on primates and audio preferences. So what do primates choose to listen to? How does it affect their behavior? However, a lot of this work is really muddled. You can get very contradictory results in different papers. We decided to work with Blair Drummond Zoo to look at lemurs' audio preferences.
It can offer them a way to exercise control and experience agency, because this is something that they are really choosing to use, and it does something when they choose to interact with it.
We learned that the different species had different types of interactions with the audio device. For example, the brown common lemurs typically had shorter interactions than the black and white lemurs. This also varied on an individual basis.
The lemurs did not seem to have a particular sound that they preferred, but they seemed to prefer to use the device when it played sounds compared to silence.
We're hoping that technology like this can really help dig further into how animals can use technology and how it can benefit their life.
Collaborating with the keepers on this research was very, very helpful and such a great experience.
From our point of view, we're very interested in enrichment for animals across the board, which doesn't involve food, because a lot of the enrichment does involve food, and obviously that has limitations because you don't want to be overfeeding them. So the other side of it is that we're giving animals a possibility and the opportunity to interact with computers on their own terms, which I think is a fascinating line of study, and I think it's got a long way to go.
It's really a step forward for technology to not only think of a lemur as just a lemur as a whole, but also how do we support lemurs as individuals, how do we support them as a group, and how do we support them on a biological species level.